Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your charging port door in the all-new 2023 Kia Niro EV. I have in front of me here a limited in snow white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the charging port door is located right here in the front of the car. So, right now, all of the doors to the car are locked. Therefore, we cannot open the charging port door. But as soon as the vehicle doors are unlocked, then you're going to be able to press on the side here, and then it will pop open. We do have a spot on the inside here that's going to give us our status of charge and let us know how much battery life we have. If you had a scheduled charge in the infotainment screen, you'll be able to go and press and hold this button here if you needed to override your specific schedule that you had in order to charge outside of that scheduled time. And in the middle here, we have little covers going over top of where you'd plug in your level 1 or level 2 AC charger. Or if you did get a DC, you'd be able to take that one out and be able to plug it into here. And there is even a little light in there to kind of help if it happens to be nighttime and it might be a little harder to see. So you just make sure that those are back in afterwards. And once you're done, you just got to make sure that you go ahead and close it. But it will remind you on the instrument cluster that your charging port door was left open just in case you forgot to close it yourself. And again, when you close it, it will lock with the doors so nobody else can get in there. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.